over there, would that be called like
Trespassing, yes.
trespassing?
Mm-hmm. Wait, I'll check this out for it again. Yeah, I should check it out. 110. Oh, it's the same thing, but cheaper, bruh.
No.
Yeah?
This is Asahi. And then this is Royal. Different brand.
Oh.
Same, maybe same drink, but different brand.
Let's go.
Tiger, see, now you learn. Now you can tell.
What's the car coming?
That's like 40 cents cheaper. Come over. Oh yeah, by the way, so in Japan, they drive on this side, remember?
Yeah.
If that car is coming on this side.
Yeah.
And then this guy will be on the other side.
Wait, you're gonna walk down there?
Yeah.
Alright, let's walk down there. Can you hold it? Hold the phone. Let's try this.
Whoops.
Actually, that's just...
Oh, see, that's our Airbnb right there. Okay, so I already said this before, but look at this. Look at this. This is the winter. It could go down minus, but they still have the flowers. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like the plants are still alive and green. All these bushes, everything here. Look.
There's a kid. There's a kid. Look, there's a kid.
He don't go school today. Oh yeah, it's kind of like the New Year. I wonder if they like other kids are still off.
Christmas break. What's this here?
Coffee boss. Oh, actually, some of the trees are like hibernating the winters. See this guy, and then this guy.
A good call getting a cold drink or hot drink. What is C-Zone?
Right, good call, right? Mountain Dew. Look at the Mountain Dew over here. Green kakara, tomato, energy drink, Boss coffee. We'll get something else on the way again.
You're gonna walk to 7-Eleven right now?
Huh?
You're gonna walk
No, the plan is when we go back, when Cindy and Mama are ready, we're gonna walk to the 7-Eleven into town. Yeah, that's the plan. Yeah. And then like at 11, the Airbnb boss, they will come drive us to the terminal. Airport, yep. Oh, look at that, more citrus. Oh, see, this is the authentic Japanese plants right here. This guy right here. Usually when you go to a park, like a nice park, you see a lot of these. I mean, not a lot, but like this represents Japan right here. Don't know what it's called. It's like pine tree, but different.
That is so good.
Hmm?
It needs a bit more sugar, but...
The drink?
Yeah.
No, I think that's good amount.
It needs more snow and it needs more sweet.
More?
No, it needs more sweet. Yo, where are the other... Oh, I see one.
One what? Oh, see, last night he was coming in through this way, right? And then turn.
It's so weird because they drive on the right side now.
There's a history of why they drive on the right side. I mean, wait
can I go
basically
in there? Can I go in there?
that's like a abandoned home.
Can I go in there?
I don't know if we're supposed to.
No, I'm going in.
But then there's a car outside. You don't know what's in there. It could be like, you know, nails on the ground. No, better not.
They don't. They probably live over there. They just park there because.
No, we don't want to get into, like, you know, any law issue. Final. Oh, see, this is the gate, and that's the parking. So probably a very rich house. Ding dong, Suzuki. Oh, this guy going to do some golfing. Oh, look at that big orange tree.
Where?
The last one left.
Oh, can I
Holy.
get that?
No, I think that would be bad. Like,
Come on, come on.
no, if somebody was saving it. Oh, I mean that it looks good on the tree. Holy.
Should we just get it and go back home?
Nah,
I need that. I want to
I
eat it
know,
at
but
home.
that's wrong.
If there was a lot, then I'd take home.
Yeah.
Is there no trash cans or anything?
Oh, look, this is the garden. I mean, oh, radish. Look, look, look. Come check out the radish garden. Look, radish.
Let's go. Let's go. Yes.
The motor scooter.
So this house, look how many like things they have.
Oh, Doraemon. Look at this. Look at the blue guy, Doraemon,
I know.
the cat. You see how it looks like so clean on the street?
Yeah. Oh, there's a bird.
Sparrow. Little sparrow.
Wait, why is there vending machines everywhere though? Why?
Yep. There probably should be one right here. I think this is the one you're talking about.
This thing?
Yep.
Ooh. Oh, garbage.
Oh, see? See? 140 yen. The other vending machine was like 180 yen for the bottle. Remember?
Yeah.
And then
100
black tea.
for the same exact one. Over there was like 140.
Yeah?
Yeah. I swear.
Oh, because look at this one. It looks older. So wait, let's see if they oh Coke? No, that's not Coke. Oh, I so want to try this. Hey, you have 100? Wait, here, hold this.
Yeah, I
Let
do.
me-
I do.
Get this one. I want to try this.
Corn
Corn
soup.
soup, yeah.
Ew.
Trust me.
I got you, but like, you know, that's disgusting. That sounds disgusting.
Nope. And then what the hard candy? Wait, what is this? English
It's tea. I think.
return
Watch out.
tea.
Watch out. Which one? This one? This
No,
one?
the coin. Yeah, bro.
Yeah, you have to pull it out.
Feel the hotness,
Oh, it feels good.
right?
Mhm.
Okay, all right. I think we
Okay.
should go back.
Okay.
And then we take another
I'm
longer
taking
trip.
that big orange.
Nah. Oh, it's actually
I know,
hot.
I know, but you see how big that was?
Yeah.
How did they grow that?
Wow, it's hot. Ah. Toto. I thought that was like a hotel.
It is a hotel.
No. Public parking. Here, you want to take the? You want to try first?
Yeah, you try.
Okay, let's try this.
Good? There's corn in there?
Yep.
What the hell? Let me try.
Yep. Try it. What? Okay, 1 out of 10.
4.
4? No way. Is it that bad? I should have seen your face reaction.
It's like drinking like butter. That's what exactly what it tastes like. Drinking butter.
No, I think I like it. Like more like 7 out of 10.
It's just like drinking butter with a little bit of corn juice with corn in it. That's exactly what it tastes like. It's butter.
Okay, anyhow, let's go back to the Airbnb. So this is what it look like in the outskirts of Tokyo. So we're at like the Narita Prefecture. And at 11 o'clock, we're going to check out. He will drive us to the bus.
I'm so hungry.
Hungry? Huh?
I'm already eating it.
And then...
No, like, you know, like when we watch Dustin, like the streets where like there's so much like vendors and like
Dustin
meets
Vietnam. He went to Japan?
Not just him, but like everyone we watch. Like they're in like the streets and there's like restaurants everywhere, like on the sides. And there's like
that's what I mean. Like
that's Tokyo? What is that?
That's Tokyo. Right now we are in the outskirts of Tokyo.
So what are we gonna be like somewhere there?
Today. At 11 o'clock we're taking the train.
Oh, I'm hungry.
So this is like, let's see. This is like the Niagara Falls of Toronto. You know what I mean?
No.
Like outside of Toronto. So it takes an hour from here to Tokyo. Just like take an hour from Niagara Falls into Toronto.
We didn't check Pokemon Go yet.
Wait, so you say, oh yeah, but you don't, but there's no Wi-Fi here.
Right here. So where's the house? Right here?
No.
Oh, no, right here. I got back. I'm gonna watch this.
So it's not cold at all, eh?
No, it's normal. It's like Canada. It's a bit warmer than Canada.
It say 1 degree.
Ooh!
Chicken puff. This is too full. Okay, we're back.
Bun! No, she's lying. She's lying. She's trying to like. See, that's
Xin đi.
Cô xin Nguyễn
Ồ,
sẽ
mà ở ngoài vui lắm, mà phải đi ra ngoài, không có lạnh. Thì đi ra ngoài không khí đồ vui, nhìn như vòng á. Bắp. Biết sao không? Giống như bây giờ ở ngoài là mùa đông là có thể là giống như nó nói là có thể mà trừ độ âm phải không? Mà ở ngoài cây cối quá trời luôn. Cây cối vẫn còn xanh tươi, mấy cái bông đồ dưới vẫn còn nở đồ tùm lum hết. Ừ. Con voi hả? Tiger bông dám vậy. Đừng làm em khó chịu mồ hôi. Daddy. Ở chỗ động đất á phải không?
Mà mẹ mới tạo cho.
Vậy bây giờ sao?